guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be cleaning out our messy fridge. I'll show you before and after. So here is the before. From the middle shelves, then I'm gonna wipe them all down, put some stuff back but not all, and then do the sides and then the drawers. So I finally finished cleaning the fridge and putting everything back. It still looks a little messy because we have a lot of stuff, but you can definitely find everything now. And there's not a little maple syrup stuck to any of the shelves, so that's a good sign.